Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In our fourth video of the I-85 series, we continue north beginning at the Georgia state line, entering Harris County in the city of West Point. West Point has an estimated population of 3,766. The city's present name comes from its being near the westernmost point of the Chattahoochee River, where the river turns from its southwesterly flow from the Appalachian Mountains to due south and forms a boundary with Alabama. The city lies in both Harris and Troup counties, with the county line being about right here. West Point is home to the Kia Motors automobile factory visible ahead on the left side of the interstate. Since 2011, the West Point Auto Factory has been manufacturing models of the Hyundai Santa Fe, Kia Sorento, and Kia Optima. We reach the city of LaGrange, the county seat of Troup County. LaGrange has a population of 30,771. Interface, the world's largest manufacturer of carpet tile, was founded in LaGrange in 1973. LaGrange is also the North American headquarters for Caterpillar's forestry division. The city of LaGrange is a full-service utility provider for the region, including electricity, natural gas, water, sewer, refuse collection, and telecommunication. In 2000, the city was named Intelligent Community of the Year by the Intelligent Community Forum, joining other cities such as New York, Seoul, Glasgow, and Toronto. Since 2000, the city has provided free internet service to every household. It has also been ranked as a Georgia City of Excellence and received a Government Technology Leadership Award. LaGrange was in the news in late January of 2017 for the public apology of its police chief and mayor for the city's failure in 1940 to protect Austin Calloway, a 16-year-old African-American resident, from being lynched. The police did not report nor investigate his murder thoroughly. On the right is the I-185 spur, which connects I-85 with the city of Columbus, Georgia. I-185 is a long spur that travels through 3 counties and is the city's only direct connection to the interstate highway system. We enter the city of Hogansville, which has an estimated population of 3,139 as of 2016. Since 1998, Hogansville has held an annual Hummingbird Festival in October. We conclude today's video at exit 28. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.